G'day, it's Rob here again. It's been a while since I've done a video. I've been busy, and just lately I've been getting back onto the models again, model engines. Had the little share line going, and the big lathe as well. And I've been putting some pulleys on some of my little engines I've made up over the years. And this is the steam powered, well, the spark plug steam engine, the rotary valve spark plug steam engine with no visible means of motivation. So I had this other pulley on there. I'll come in close on it. Yeah, I had this pulley on it, this side of it, and I've taken that off and I've made up a little double-stepped brass pulley, and I intend to drive something with it. I've got something in the back of my mind, well, several things to drive, because I haven't got anything I can drive at the moment. But there's a couple of distinct possibilities, and this will definitely do it. We'll turn her up. Pretty cool, isn't it, though? Pretty cool. How does it do it? Well, if you watch the video in the end screen, it will show you how I do it. But yeah, it's all just a solid bit of wood there, isn't it? Mysterious. So this is just a bit of a fun thing I knocked up years ago in a quiet moment. But it's got some reasonable power, not bad. Turn the air up a bit more. And with that small ratio, it could drive pretty much anything. So that's what I've been doing on that. We'll build out of scrap, out of junk, old spark plug, and yeah, I'll show you what else I've been doing. I've also been tinkering with this engine kit that I got sent to me. It's a Retrol. Did the kit a while back, and there's a video there if you want to have a look at it. But it's had a few leaks, and once again, this will drive, well, supposedly drive something, but I don't think it's got a lot of power. Anyway, I've gone through it anyway, and I've redone all the rubber seals, and I've replaced them with O-rings, which are neoprene, and I've put some silicone sealer on there, so that'll cut down any chance of leaking through these 3 points here. All the other seals look good, so I give it 24 hours, and then I'll see if it's improved it. But yeah, that one's got a driving position on it. But when I reviewed it, it ran nice, but very little power. I just couldn't see it running, say, a little generator or something like that. You know, I don't think it could do it. Well, it might now, but we'll see. I've got to do some more tinkering with that. But it's a beautiful model, though. It's really nice. When it's going, it just looks a treat, you know. Now I'll show what else I've been working on. So here we have my all-time greatest form of motive power out of these model engines. It's a Stirling engine. It's called a Turret beam engine. I got it from Banggood. They got me to review it years ago, 6 years ago I think it was. But they don't sell them anymore because they've got right out of that line of things, you know. But it is, as far as I'm concerned, the best Stirling engine I've come across in the model kit, sort of, the model engine stuff. It didn't have a pulley, so I made up a 3-step pulley so I can go high speed, medium and low speed. Put that on there, and I've got quite a few drive belts, you know, the sort of belts they use for CD players and stuff like that, which I've made the grooves in the pulley perfect fit for those, so no problem with that. And yeah, when I get round to driving a few things, and it is going to happen, this will probably be the #1 unit that I'll use, because these are actually amazingly powerful. And I won't start it up now because, you know, no point, but if you go back through my videos you'll see it running. But this is a bloody good unit, really, really good. I couldn't recommend this highly enough. And I've seen other people on YouTube driving stuff with it as well. You know, it's an awesome Stirling engine. Okay, what else? Well, I won't go on. This is just a quick video. It wasn't meant to be. One other thing I've got to mention is that unfortunately one of our fellow YouTubers passed away recently, and that was a nice guy, Sean, Mr. Fix-It Lee from the USA. Sean was always a nice guy to deal with, and put up nice videos, practical stuff. And I'm very sorry to hear of his passing. He leaves behind a wife and some girls, and just shows that, yeah, that's life. We all have to accept the fact that no one lives forever. But anyway, while I was around, he had a good time on YouTube, I think. Met a lot of good people. And learned a bit of stuff as well. All right, well, on that somber note, we'll finish up now. Next time I see you, I hopefully will have a project on something to drive with one of my little engines. Okay, stay well. See you next time. Cheers.